Hi. Hello. My name is Andrew. I'm sorry, I can't do that with a straight face. Hang on, let me try again. What's up, game? Hey, my name's Andrew from MightySkins, and it looks like you just bought one of our awesome laptop skins. That's why you're watching this video. We want your skin installation to be epic. So now you have to learn how to install it properly. And that's where we come in. So with that, let's get started. Now for this process, you're going to need a few materials. First, you're going to need your device. You're going to need the MightySkins skin that you bought off of our sites. You're going to need the microfiber cloth. This may not be your laptop, but these tools and steps apply to every single laptop in our line. Now the first step in this process, for every single part that you do, you're going to need to clean the surface with microfiber cloth. This is going to make sure that your skin stays nice, flat, and has a long-lasting life. Whenever you are removing the skin from the paper, you can use an X-Acto knife to help to make sure you don't get any bends or any creases whenever you're pulling it off. Align the skin to any edges, corners, and cutouts. When skin is properly lined up, press firmly in the center of the bottom edge where the hinges are. If your model has hinges, this is a great place to start. Apply pressure, making your way up and out to the edges. Push air bubbles and wrinkles out as you go along. When you're skinning a keyboard, pay extra attention to the small strips above the top and bottom of the trackpad. Those are really easy to misalign, and the more attention that you pay to them, the better. It's all in the small details to get the skin looking perfect. If you've purchased the bottom skin for the laptop, skinning it's going to take a little bit of extra care. Go slow and take extra precaution not to rip or stretch the skin. It may take some extra time, but you can get it done. We believe in you. It is possible to pull the skin back up to place it in a better position, but do so with caution. You really need to not stretch the skin, because if you do that once, it's not going to lay right. Now that you've finished the process, you should end up with a laptop that looks something like this. I hope this tutorial helped. This is Andrew from MightySkins, signing off.